Hey guys, it is Peridots57150 here, coming at you with the last segment of my Peridots Beach Day adventure. Yeah, it's gonna be the wrap up. I just wanted to tell y'all some stuff that happened off camera. Zach caught a lot of fish. While I was off camera in the water, I got stung by a jellyfish. And that doesn't feel pleasant. It burns. A few other stuff happened, like I sat there and I started screaming, Roll Tide sucks. And asked Zach and my dad, I started throwing pretzels everywhere. I call them pretzels for some reason. I literally threw pretzels everywhere on the boardwalk.
And seagulls.
It looked like seagulls are about to start invading the world. I had me and my friend walk down the water. We're like, no. 100 of them. My friend just dived backwards. No, my dad's on the phone. He got to take this.
Hey.
This is gonna be the last segment to our beach day adventure, guys.
Yeah, we're coming down Avalon.
He's talking on the phone.
He's tired. They finally started catching some fish, though.
Oh crap.
At quiet water.
I should pause the video. Yeah, I don't know. Fish you can't eat, buddy. Alright, that's gonna wrap up Peridots Beach Day adventure. I went from 5 in the morning to right about now. Because it's like 4 in the morning. Now I'm just kidding. Oh, that was a fun day. I'm so glad I got to bring y'all guys with me so we could look at our...
Hey, you just drunk it.
Shut up. I'm really glad I got to bring y'all with me on my adventure. There's going to be more adventures. A lot more. Oh, look, it's Donald Trump on the billboard. Yeah, I know. I was being sarcastic. Or stupid. I don't know. I'm always stupid. Stop it. And I'm really glad I got to bring y'all guys on my adventure. And we are going to go on way more adventures than this. Trust me. I had a lot of fun. I hope y'all did too. If you like this video, subscribe and comment on the video. Hashtag surfs up. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Cowabunga dudes.